Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to check your network or how to network diagnosis on the Total Football Mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Total Football account, and on the first menu, and like this, you can check the network diagnosis on the right over here, and then the diagnosis will in progress and you need to place wait. Okay, so after that the diagnosis result will reveal, and then the first please confirm if network access is allowed, check your network connection or switch to a different network, restart the game, contact the network operator, and if the problem remains please contact in the game. Okay, so here's the result, and here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.